I was already out the car.
That's not how it works.
Well, I was already out the car. I was already out the car.
Have a seat.
I'm telling you, I was already out the car. You did not pull me.
That's not how it works, man.
You did not pull me. I was already out the car. There's nobody in there. I was already out the car.
How long ago?
My keys already locked in the car. Locked the keys in the car. But hold on, 1 second. I'm not refusing, but my keys, I was already at the car. I don't know my code. I promise you I don't.
So you're just gonna leave your car here until you call a locksmith?
Yes, and I'm calling them now.
As of right now, you're going to be under arrest for obstruction.
I'm not being under arrest. I'm not being how? How? How I'm being uncooperated? I'm not even doing nothing. I promise you, I'm not.
Dream. This is the way it's going.
I understand. My phone, you can't take my phone. Hey, can you please call my mom?
Ladream,
Please.
Listen to me.
Stop.
Right now, okay? You can't jump out of the car, lock your door, and then refuse to cooperate.
I did. I was been out.
Tint violation. Okay?
I've been out the car though. You never stopped me. I've been.
Do you want to go to jail?
No, I'm not.
Do you want to go to jail right now?
Can you listen?
I'm not listening. Okay? Do you want to go to jail right now?
No, I don't want to go to jail.
And then we're going to tow your car.
How? Because I was out the car before you even told me.
That's not the way this works.
I understand, but I was already out the car.
I'm just gonna put this on
No,
the hood.
no, you cannot take my. Hey!
I'm not taking it. I'm just setting it on the hood for you.
Bro, I promise you, I was already out
I don't want it to get broken.
bro. I promise you. Hey!
You want to punch the door code in, or you want us to get it towed?
There's nothing in there.
Okay.
Why y'all?
Then let us roll the window down and measure the tint.
As of right now, you're going to jail and you're getting a violation of probation.
Can I call my dad? Please.
No.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Oh my God. I've been out the car, bro. I promise you. Can some...
91 dispatch, 1 black male detained.
Hey, can you call, please? So, you're still on probation, right?
Yes.
You're still on probation.
And
you are a grown man, Ladream.
And I didn't do nothing
You're
wrong.
gonna go to jail.
My car been parked.
You are gonna
Tarita,
go to
can you
jail.
call my mama? My dad. My car been parked. You cannot pull me when I've been out the car.
Tarita, you want to talk some common sense into Ladream?
My car been parked.
And then we'll be able to conduct our investigation.
How is an investigation? I've been out the car before you even threw your lights on.
For a tint violation.
How can you stop me if I've been out the car?
Smells like you're on probation. Okay? I don't care about little bit of weeds. You don't get to determine every can and can't stop you. You understand?
But if I've been out the car, how can you throw your lights on? I understand.
You're under arrest at this point, okay?
Oh.
You're under arrest, all right? Your probation is going to be violated, okay? We don't play these games, okay? You don't get to jump out of your car and go home base, I'm out the car. That ain't the way it works.
But you never pulled me when I was parked already before you even put your lights on and pulled
It doesn't work that way.
How is it doesn't work that way if I already pulled
We'll go ahead and search and probe in the car. We're not going to do the Robert and Tony show once all of his backup gets here.
What the? How?
You got the key on it.
My key is broke. Call my mom. You cannot search my car.
What's up, Daddy?
I already called him. You cannot search my car.
Stop.
My key is broke. I told you my key is broke.
What's the code then?
I don't know my code. You cannot search my car. You cannot. You cannot search my car, bro.
Come on. Over here. What do you want to do? This is a spare. Come over here. Stay lean right up here.
Where?
Got anything sharp on you? Right here.
Bro, you cannot search my car,
Lean
bro.
against the car.
You cannot search my car.
Stop.
I'm not doing nothing.
I told you to face against the car. Now's when you need to start listening.
You cannot search my car, bro.
You're under arrest for obstruction right now. Stop.
cannot search my car, bro. You cannot search.
Oh, look, the door's open.
That little bit of bud, that's what you're worried about?
I'm not worried about that, but you cannot search my car.
Widen your stance.
Come on, bro. You've been checking me for the last 20 minutes.
Bro, we've had it here like 5. Have a seat.
Looks like he probably stacked 5 on 5 to get it.
You got at least 20 grams. So. Obstruction, and then
If you're good with it, if we can get them down, we can set them for all 4 windows.
yeah. You have the keys in the ignition.
I was just gonna call you on Facebook.
Do you guys want the car?
His mama right there.
Stay on-
His mama and his little brother right there.
He's going to jail, yeah.
His brother could take it and his mama right there. You want it? I get his phone?
No, it's got to stay with him right now.
They say y'all get his car.
How you doing? You mom?
Stepmother, yeah.
So the dream was driving down this way, got dark tinted windows. We were just going to do a traffic stop on him. He jumped out of the car, locked the door, tried to walk away, so we had to detain him. And, you know, we were like, we want you to just roll your windows down for us. And he tried to tell us he has no way to get into his car. And we're like, okay, well, you're on probation. If you want to go that route, you're under arrest for obstruction. And he said, yeah, but you can't search my car. So we ended up, you know, the car reeks of weed. He's got 2 sacks of weed. So, you know, we're like, bro, like, it may be a little over 20 grams. We can work with you, but, you know, he's...
There go his mama. Look, there go his real mama.
So, I mean, we explained to him multiple times, like, hey, listen, we're conducting a traffic stop. We can't... No, this ain't Big Dream.
Yeah,
This is the son. Okay.
Yeah, so...
I called his dad. I was gonna call him.
Oh, that's what I'm thinking. I thought it was the daddy.
You know, he wouldn't even let us start with an investigation. He was adamant that he's out of the car, we can't do nothing, and like I explained to him, that's not how it works. How you doing? You, the Dream's mom?
Yes.
So, the Dream was driving down the road, dark tinted windows. We went to stop him, he pulled in here real quick, jumped out of the car, locked the door, and acted like, you know, I'm home base, y'all can't do nothing. We're like, listen, we're conducting a traffic stop. You know, we gotta test your windows. We know who you are, you're on probation, you know, you need to just cooperate. And he said, no, you know, my doors are locked, I don't know my code to get in, I don't have my keys, they're locked in the car. Okay, well, you're refusing to cooperate with our investigation, so we'll leave it up to you. You can either open your door, we can run a temp meter on it, or you can go to jail for obstruction. He said, well, y'all ain't opening my car. So ultimately, we're in the car, he's got 2 sacks of weed in there, probably a little over 20 grams, which really ain't that big of a deal, but, you know, we told him, gave him multiple warnings that he'd be arrested for obstruction, and he's on probation, so. I mean, we're getting shootings every night, so we didn't know if there was a gun in there, and we're not playing games, you know, we're trying to stop the violence right now.
I mean, I understand, but he already, that's what he on probation for, so it's not gonna be.
I understand that. I know he's on probation for, you know, threats of a firearm, so we know that. What are we supposed to think other than he might have a gun in the car, you know, and by him saying, nope, y'all ain't going in my car, you know, so unfortunately he's going to go to jail for tonight. We can release the car to you guys if he agrees. Is the car in his dad's name, his name?
It's in his name.
It's in his name? Okay. But as of right now, he's going to get charged with the weed and obstruction, which There's a new law violation. It violates his probation. So we tried to play ball with him, but he didn't want to have it. So.
Welcome to Wendy's. Would you like to turn second to combo?
Yeah, if you got a license and he's all right with it, he can drive it back.
Okay, order when you're ready.
He ain't got no license.
All right. Or we can leave it parked here. It's up to you.
Yeah, I can have my sister come and get it.
Okay, she gonna have to.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll go with phone when he gets it. We can get his phone and stuff?
Phone's got to stay with him for now. But you guys can pick it up from him. He can release anything at the jail. We just, anything of value, because we've done it before where we release money, phones, keys, whatever.
There goes father.
And we've had people say that we gave it to somebody that didn't have authorization. What's up, Dream?
What's going on?
Stop, little Dream. He had dark tint on his windows, whipped in here real quick, as you can see. Got out of the car, locked the door real quick on us, started walking away. We're like, hey, we're just trying to conduct a traffic stop right now.
Okay.
And he's like, nope, I'm already out of the car. We're like, bro, that ain't the way it works. Like, you gotta roll down the window so we can get the window tint. Nope, no, y'all can't do nothing. I'm out of the car. Like, listen, we know you're on probation. You know, you don't want to go down that road. You know, you can go to jail right now for obstruction. He's like, nope, y'all ain't getting in the car. I'm like, all right. Gave him multiple warnings. I mean, ultimately, he's got a little bit of bud in there. He's probably got maybe 30, 40 grams at most. And, you know, I'm sure that's what he was worried about because he's on probation. So, you know, knowing that he's on probation for, you know, threats with a firearm, we're out here working a shooting almost every night. So, hey, I don't know. Does he got
He's on probation for what?
It's something to do with like threats to use a firearm or something like that.
Threat. He was somewhere. They stopped him for no reason. It was a gun in the car, but it wasn't on him. It was just in the car. So
I don't know. That's just what the charge reads. So we're like, I don't know. Is there a gun in the car? Like, why is he so adamant we don't get in that car? We can smell the weed from outside. We're like, dude, there's a little bit of weed. Like, it's whatever. You know, we ain't worried about that. But the way he was stressing, we were like, there's got to be a gun in there. So we're like, hey, man, it's your last opportunity, you know. And he was like, nope, I don't care. So right now he's under arrest for obstruction and a little bit of, he don't have a medical marijuana card, you know?
he's supposed to, but I don't know if they came in yet.
Yeah. So, Tarita popped by for a minute. She's already gone, but she got mom and stepmom here.
Yeah. Look at mama right there.
Yeah. So we explained to them what's going on, but, you know, I try to explain to them, man, it ain't home base. You can't just jump out of the car and lock it and say, F y'all, you gotta let us do our thing.
So who pulled him? You?
Yeah, I mean, I was with the officer when he pulled him.
Oh, okay.
So, how old's Dream now? 19? 20? He ain't even that old yet?
24.
He's 24? He's that old now? Man. I'm thinking of like 2018, 2019, when they were all running together at 23rd and Dixie. They were all just young bucks back then.
Hey, whatever y'all like tell, can y'all put it back together? Whatever y'all mess up, please.
Yeah, I think they just pulled the cushion back.
Yeah, I know. You know how some people get. They go lift this, or we don't know how to put it back, but you know you unloosen and all that. I know how to position stuff. Well, I tell them, do mine. Whatever you find, make sure you put it back.
Did you find that little one that was in the
little bug? Yeah. I was in the crease right there. I remember just went to drive, like tucked like this on the driver's seat was in that little too.
Ryan, you want to check with Little Dream and see if he's got a, if he's all right with his dad taking the car?
Yeah.
And then we'll, you got a vehicle release for him?
Front right, 3%. Yeah. Back right, 0%. Well, he wants to play games, so I'm going to write him his tickets for all three windows because I can't get the drivers down. Back left, 3%.
Do that AS1 too. AS1 line is here. He's got tint down the whole thing.
Yep. Okay. So at least 3. I mean, I've got it there, but I can't measure that. I got under there a decent amount, just can't get all the way.
That's what he was hiding. That's why he didn't want to get a car, bet you.
Well, you see what's on the trunk?
Yeah. He probably had that on his lap. Anything under there? There's a bud right there. I don't know if you want to collect that. Right there. Yep. That's fine.
I don't know, I was just looking to see if there's anything tucked behind it. Yes, sir.
What?
Obstruction to start, and then felony possession of marijuana and violation of probation.
Now.
Over. These are both dreams.
Is that his? Still? Yeah,
No, that's Brandon's.
And I also have a signal formal to get here, so whenever you're ready to copy.
He brought it up to.
Be the way to break that.
40. LT waited for you. LT waited for you. It's about 40
Nice. About 40 what?
grams.
No, it's not 40 grams.
Each one of those bags is 18 and change, minus the bags, about 18 each. Plus the other little bag. Plus the other little bag was about 4.5 grams. The dream. If you had been straight up and decided to cooperate with the investigation from the beginning, I'm sure these officers would have worked with you, man.
You want to holler at him real quick? We can roll this window down over here. He's facing that way. What's up? You want 91 dispatch?
Good.
1 black male, 1015, 51 at so jail. DOJ 2 signal 57.